Hi, my name is DJ Hines and I am 37 years old. I just learned that at the age of 36, about 60% of men begin to lose their hair. And so I'm in that number, I'm in that age range, and I started to see some of the early signs of thinning around my edges about a year ago. And I actually found out about this amazing product, this Total Repair hair serum. Skeptical at first because it just doesn't seem like a serum that, it doesn't burn, you can't, it doesn't feel strong when it goes on. So it's like, it smells good. So it's so easy to use. I'm like, this can't really do anything. But I started to use it, and after 60 days, I started to see my hair start to get thicker in those areas. And even my barber took notice of it. My Uncle Devin has been cutting my hair all of my life. I think my dad gave me one haircut as a child, and then my Uncle Devin has been cutting my hair ever since. So he knows my hair, and he even took notice of it and asked what was I doing. So it definitely works. And like I said, it's easy to use product. I use it in the morning, and then I use it in the evening. Not only do I use it on my hair, but I use it on my beard as well, along with the body butter. It just, it makes my beard feel moisturized. Living in Wisconsin, our winters are really cold and they dry the hair out. And I started wearing a beard a couple years ago, and I realized that it was breaking. I would see it on my shirt start to break. So I started using the product on my beard, and it stays moisturized, and I don't experience the breakage at all. So, great products. Whip Natural, you all are doing your thing. Continue to provide us with these amazing products, and thank you so much for allowing me to be a part of it.